The essential supplements that can help promote good sleep. Number 1, melatonin. Regulates sleep-wake cycles. Helps fall asleep faster and also improves sleep quality. Number 2, valerian root. Promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and also improves sleep quality. Number 3, magnesium. Relaxes muscles, reduces anxiety, and also helps regulate sleep. Number 4, GABA. GABA aminobutyric acid. Calms the mind, reduces anxiety, and also promote relaxation. Number 5, 5-HTP. The 5-hydroxytryptophan. Increases serotonin levels, promotes relaxation, and also helps regulate sleep. Number 6, vitamin B6. Regulates sleep patterns, reduces insomnia, and promotes relaxation. And number 7, potassium. Relaxes muscles, reduces anxiety, and promotes sleep. Have a good sleep!